All right, let's get right to it. You've probably heard the chatter about Costco and a potential big payday for its investors. Today is October 25th, 2025, and the excitement is building. We're talking about a special dividend, a surprise bonus from a company you own a piece of. It's an extra reward when a company has a pile of cash it doesn't need for its day-to-day business. If you're an investor, a special dividend is pure gold, cash in your pocket. Unlike a regular dividend, a special dividend can be a huge one-time payment. It shows a company is not just profitable, but swimming in cash, signaling incredible financial strength. For a giant like Costco, these special dividends have become legendary. As we explore the possibility of another big payout from Costco in 2025, remember what it represents. It's a powerful statement about the health, stability, and future of one of America's most beloved retailers. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty and see if Costco is getting ready to make it rain for its investors once again. This is where the real fun begins, so stick with me. Let's dive in. When you think of Costco, you probably picture giant warehouses and that famous hot dog combo. But as a business person, I see one of the most brilliant business models on the planet. The real genius of Costco isn't just selling you a pallet of paper towels, it's getting you to pay for the privilege of walking through their doors. That annual membership fee is the secret sauce, providing a steady, predictable stream of high-profit revenue. This membership model creates incredible customer loyalty and a powerful financial foundation. People who pay for a membership feel like they are part of an exclusive club, driving them to shop more often. Because Costco knows it has this guaranteed income, it can afford to sell its products at razor-thin margins. This strategy keeps prices low, customers happy, and competitors scratching their heads. This simple but powerful approach has made Costco a fortress in the tough world of retail. While other stores struggle, Costco keeps growing, building a reputation for low prices and quality. This trust is the bedrock of their success, keeping their members coming back year after year. It's this rock-solid business model that allows Costco to consider things like special dividends. They can reinvest in the business, open new stores, and pay their employees well, and still have billions left over. That, my friends, is the magic behind the curtain at Costco. Let's take a walk down memory lane. Costco isn't new to big, splashy shareholder rewards. They've built a legend around accumulating cash and returning it to investors. It's become their signature move, often happening toward the end of the year. The tradition started back in 2012 with a special dividend of $7 per share. Then in 2015, they did it again with a $5 per share payout. By now, investors saw a pattern. Costco was a cash-generating machine that shared its success. In 2017, they announced another $7 per share. The big one came in 2020 with a $10 per share special dividend. This was a huge vote of confidence during a challenging time for the global economy. Just last year, in December 2023, Costco stunned the market with a $15 per share dividend. This history of consistent, large-scale payouts is why the financial world is buzzing right now. The pattern is there, the conditions look right, and investors are eagerly watching for another holiday surprise. The stage is set for another potential payout. Before dreaming about a massive special dividend, let's talk about Costco's regular dividend. For over 20 years, Costco has increased its regular dividend every single year. This shows a deep commitment to providing a reliable and growing stream of income to its owners. Over the past decade, Costco has grown its regular dividend by an average of about 12% per year. This steady, reliable dividend growth is the bedrock of Costco's shareholder return policy. It provides a predictable income stream that investors can count on, while the special dividends act as the icing on the cake. Together, they create a 1-2 punch that makes Costco an incredibly attractive stock for both income and growth investors. It's a strategy that rewards patience and loyalty, and it's a big part of why the company is so highly regarded on Wall Street. This is how you build real wealth over time. How can a company afford to give away billions in special dividends? Simple. Make a ton of money and manage it wisely. Costco is a masterclass in financial strength. In its most recent fiscal year, revenue grew by a strong 8.1%. People are shopping more at Costco, with comparable sales up 6.4%. Net income was up nearly 10% in fiscal 2025. Costco generated a net income of $6.3 billion in 2024. They are also seeing huge growth in online sales, which surged over 13% last year. The most important number is cash. Costco is sitting on a mountain of it. As of the end of the last fiscal year, the company had $14 billion in cash and short-term investments. This massive cash pile is the fuel for a potential special dividend. Costco has very little debt, meaning it doesn't owe a lot of money to banks or lenders. This financial strength is built on a solid foundation, making another special dividend a probability. This is exactly the kind of financial report card you want to see from a company you've invested in. We know Costco has a history of big payouts and the financial muscle to do it again. The consensus on the street is not if Costco will announce a special dividend, but when and for how much. The main driver of this optimism is that massive $14 billion cash pile. Analysts see that number and know Costco's management doesn't like to let cash sit around. Predictions for the payout are generally in the range of $10 to $15 per share. Out of 26 analysts covering Costco, 17 rate it as a buy. The average 12-month price target for the stock is over $1,068. This positive analyst sentiment creates a self-fulfilling prophecy, drawing more investors to the stock. The signs are all there, and the experts are in agreement. So, will there be a special dividend in 2025? All signs point to yes. We have a clear historical pattern of special dividends every 2 to 3 years. The last one was in December 2023, putting us in the sweet spot for another. With $14 billion on the balance sheet, Costco has the firepower for a massive payout. Costco's management believes in financial efficiency, not letting cash sit idle. The business is performing exceptionally well, with no dark clouds on the horizon. Announcing a special dividend now would be a power move, reinforcing Costco as a retail juggernaut. Considering all these factors, the case for a 2025 special dividend is incredibly strong. While nothing is guaranteed until official, this is about as close to a sure thing as you can get. The stage is set, and it looks like Costco is ready to deliver another show-stopping performance. Beyond the excitement of a potential payday, there's a bigger lesson here for every investor. Costco's approach to dividends and shareholder returns is a textbook example of what to look for in a long-term investment. It's about finding companies that have a culture of rewarding their owners. A company that consistently shares its profits respects its shareholders. The combination of a steadily growing regular dividend and the occasional blockbuster special dividend is powerful. This dual approach offers both stability and excitement, a rare and valuable combination in the stock market. It's a sign of a mature, confident, and well-managed company. A strong dividend policy is a sign of good corporate governance, keeping management accountable. As you build your investment portfolio, look for companies that act like Costco. The Costco story is more than just about dividends. It's a masterclass in what a great long-term investment looks like. So, let's wrap this all up. We've looked at Costco from every angle. As we stand here on October 25th, 2025, the question is whether to get hopes up for another big check from Costco. My answer? Absolutely. The evidence is overwhelming. The 2 to 3 year pattern of special dividends points to late 2025 as the next logical time. The company is sitting on a $14 billion pile of cash. The business is firing on all cylinders, with strong growth in sales, profits, and memberships. There's no compelling reason for the company to break with its tradition of rewarding investors. I would expect an announcement in November, with the payment in December, just in time for holiday shopping. Whether you're a longtime Costco shareholder or just watching, this is an exciting moment. It's a powerful reminder of what a truly great, shareholder-focused company looks like. So, keep your eyes peeled for an announcement. Costco might give its shareholders a very happy holiday season. And if you want to stay on top of stories like this, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next big opportunity.